Ang superfood na walang kapantay. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkape at pandasal muna tayo. When I was diagnosed with breast cancer, I became so conscious of what I eat, what I put on my skin, what I'm exposed to. Dahil pinili kong mag-alternative medicine imbes na chemotherapy, ang dami kong supplements na iniinom morning, noon, and night. Tabletas pa lang, busog na ako. I also became conscious of eating antioxidants at mga superfoods o yung mga pagkain na lumalaban sa cancer. We talk about goji berries from the Himalayas, acai berries from the Amazon forest, bee propolis from the Incas of South America at iba pa. But let me tell you about the most superior, the super of the superfoods, and the best antioxidant diet you will find on the planet Earth. It's the Holy Eucharist. Bakit? Kasi ito ay pagkain na hindi mula sa lupa, kundi sa langit. Jesus called it the bread of life, the living bread that came down from heaven, and His body and blood. Ano pang hahanapin mong superfood? Katawang mismo ni Kristo na namatay at nabuhay muli ang ating tinatanggap tuwing tayo'y nangungumunyon. Kung hindi ka pa naniniwala, basahin mo ang mga kwento ng Eucharistic miracles sa mundo. Noong 2013 lamang sa Poland, may ostya na naging parang dugo. And when they subjected it to scientific investigation, they found it to be fragments of a cardiac muscle. Kaya wag nating palampasin ang pagtanggap ng pagkain na tunay na nagbibigay buhay. Tayo magdasal. Lord, thank you for giving me your body and blood through the Eucharist. Amen.